Wanna play some cards like Crazy Eights? Ooh, do I have a full house? We're not playing cards, but we're going to craft with these. I got some ideas, okay? We got a little bit of everything here today. And we're gonna make some of these little cards. So see this here? I made this using this, but I'm gonna show you some simple ways to make these tags. So I've got some vintage paper. This is music paper. This is a map. And then I've got this graph paper. These are all vintage papers. Let's do this one. So I'm just going to cut out just a little bit what I need. I like to make it just a little bigger. Okay. I love these collage papers because you can do so much with them. And they're meant to just cut up and craft with, right? So let's start with these. Okay. I'm going to use my fabric tack. You could use wood glue, white glue, whatever liquid glue you have. Just a glue stick doesn't work with a shiny surface. So that's that side. We're going to come back and ink that. And now let's just put that on there. Why not? I'm just going to cut this out willy-nilly. Again, I'm just going to make it a little bigger. All right. I'm going to hide that little trivia and put this Canada part on here. All right, now I'm going to trim this. And the card already has like a natural curve to it. Okay. Then you're going to take your ink, swirled. Yep. This is vintage photo distress ink. Okay, and then I'm just going to make this. This is very juicy. Because we want this to look old, right? There we go. I like that. I like that better. So let's do that. Just going to come in a little bit more. Okay, look. Isn't that cute? So now we've got that and the back. So vintage paper, and that's the printable. Isn't that cute? Okay, so this one here already comes with this shape. Okay, so we're going to use this one now. I always suggest to cut it before you put the next page on. It's just easier. So let's trim that. So like I said, this printable comes with this shape. It already has that. There we go. Okay. And now for this one, let's do a music sheet. Again, I got this from the thrift store. Now this is a little see-through. I like that. So whenever you're edging this out, I like to do all the sides and then I just come in. I do this with everything, guys. Let's do this one a tag. So I'm going to pop a hole in here. Right? Okay, so there we go. I think this is my favorite. But then the bird again is my favorite, but then this is pretty. I love that, and that goes with that one. Have a good one, guys. Thank you so much for hanging in with me. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye.